Hey, this is Supreet, and today we're gonna see how to perform CRUD operations in MongoDB. And this CRUD operations is performed through .NET Core application. So basically, .NET Core application is integrated with MongoDB. So let's see how do we achieve this. So for that, we have opened Visual Studio as our IDE, and we have created a MVC application. And I have for the interest of time, I have already created a controller, so I have to write the logic. So but before that, I have to create a model, and this is my model. So these are the three fields for which I'm gonna add records to, or fetch records from. So this is my model, and id is an auto generated id. So that I have decorated this property with a based on representation attribute and based on id attribute. All right, so now let's go to controller, and I have to import mongodb drivers for that. So this is the mongodb driver that I've imported from NuGet package, and I have established a connection to my local host MongoDB client. So this is the class, and MongoDB Mongo client is a method which will help us establish a connection to MongoDB. Now let's go to this method, index method, and I'm gonna show you how to fetch records from MongoDB. So for this, we'll have to create a database first. So let's say, sorry. So I'm gonna say word database is equal to mongo client dot get database, and I'm gonna define the database name. I'm gonna say e-commerce. This is by my database name, and inside this database I have to fetch the collection, right? So I'm gonna say var collection is equal to database dot, let's see if we have get collection. Yes, we have get collection method of type product. Product is my module, I'm sorry, model. This will take string name, name of the collection. Name of the collection would be products. All right, rest of the things are optional, so I don't want to define that. So now on this collection I will have to perform the select operation, right? So I'm gonna say var product results is equal to, on top of this collection I will perform the query. So if you remember, in the MongoDB we have find method. So I'm gonna say find, and I'm gonna say products of type products. And what does it take? It's gonna take filter definition. So I'm just gonna say if a goes to true. And in the view I'm gonna return this product result. So this is it, very simple. you create database, then inside the database you create a collection, and inside this collection, on top of this collection, you're gonna query this collection. And for querying, we have find as a method. db.collection.find is a command. So this is the method which will help you fetch the records. So I'm gonna run this and see if it's gonna retrieve my items inside the collection. So this is loading the home page, and let's see if it returns my items from the collection. All right, we are in the home page, and let's navigate to the specific page. I'm gonna say product, sorry, product. All right, so let's see what is the error. Okay, I'm gonna add dot to list. I'm sorry, to the product results. I'm gonna add to list so that it will return the list of the items. I'm gonna rerun the solution. Let's navigate to the controller. So these are my three results, and let's verify this. I'm gonna go to the mongoDB executable file where I'm gonna find my executable and verify this. So I'm gonna say show dbs e-commerce is my db. I'm gonna say use e-commerce, and I'm gonna say show collection, sorry, show collections. So we have one collection as products, so I'm gonna say db dot products dot find, and you can find three results over here. So this is the same results that I've fetched and presented on the screen. Look at this. All right, so now we're gonna see how to create a new new record, new line item over here. All right, so I'm gonna cancel this. Let's go back to Visual Studio. So we have create method over here. This is the post method. So again, I'm gonna you know use the same connection. So here we have passed product class as a parameter. Now we're gonna say where product result is equal to, on top of this collection, we're gonna use the method called insert. So we have something called insert one over here. We make use of that and pass the class object. as a parameter. That's it. So this should do the work. I'm gonna rerun the solution and see if it works. So this is my index page, and I have a link to create new line item. I'm gonna just say create new, and here I will leave it as blank because this should be auto generated one. So I'm gonna say add a new item. Item name would be laptops, quantity 20. I'm gonna say create. So you can say a new line item is created over here. So let's verify this again in the mongodb. Not this, I'm sorry, this. I'm gonna hit the same query, products.find. They should show me the latest line item that's been added. So that's it, guys. I mean, this is a small demo to show how you can perform CRUD operation. I've showed you two operations. So update and method are two other methods which you can try on and see how it works. Thank you.